Good afternoon, everyone. This is Dr. Deepak Kumar Basedia. Today we will discuss about the gastrointestinal agent. Gastrointestinal agent is also known as GIT agent. The major GIT agent are classified in 5 different agents. The first one is acidifying agent. The second one is antacid. Third one is protectives. Fourth one adsorbent. And last laxative and purgatives. These are the major 5 agents that are used as a GIT agent. The first is acidifier. The acidifier are the agents that are used to increase the level of GIT acid, GIT juice, gastric acidic juice. The gastric acidic juice is mainly HCl. In our stomach, the basic pH is 2.7. This acid used for digestion of food, drug and other things. In some time disease or disorders decrease the level of gastric acid HCl. The digestion process are slow, so acidifier are required. The acidifier are the oral agent that increase the gastric acid juice. Mainly dilute HCl used as a acidifier agent. The second one is antacid. Antacid are agent that decrease the level of acid. In major patient today times, this is the common problem of acidity. Whereas antacid are used to decrease the level of acid, decrease the level of gastric acid and used for treatment of acidity. The third one is protectives. They protect GIT tract. The formation of the protective layer, smoothing layer, and decrease the inflammation. The fourth one is adsorbent. Adsorbent of the material that absorb the toxins, bacteria or other unwanted things. The last one is laxative and purgative. The laxative and purgative, these are increase motility of GIT tract and eliminate unwanted toxins and undigested food and drugs. Classification of inorganic gastroacid agent produced for alternative gastric pH. It produces gastric pH, increase acidity, increase the acid level and smooth the digestion. Protective the gastrointestinal layer and decrease the inflammation. Adsorbent or absorb the toxins that are present in GIT tract. So first of all, we will discuss detail about the acidifier agent. The drug or agent which are used to increase the metabolic gastric level, The mainly gastric juice is HCl that are present in stomach and used to help the acidic labor. They are also known as acidifying agent and mainly dilute HCl used as a oral acidifier. The doctor are prescribed when the digestion process are slow, the metabolic process are slow. The second one is antacid. Nowadays, the major use of antacid is used for treatment of acidity. The acidity is major things. The number of patients are suffering from acidity. Number of drug is also cause the acidity. So the drug that used to treat acidity, to used to decrease the level of gastric acid are antacid. They mainly work as a neutralization. They are neutralizer. They are mainly basic in nature. So they act as a acid base reaction and work as a neutralizer. Number of antacid available in market like sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate, aluminum hydroxide gel, magnesium carbonate, milk of magma, calcium carbonates. They use as a antacid. The antacid decrease the acidity level and even used to treat peptic ulcer. Classification of acidifying agent: gastric acidifier that are taken as a oral dose, dilute HCl; urinary acidifier, systemic acidifier, and acids. Antacids. Antacid we know they decrease the level of acid. They work as a neutralizer. They also two types: systemic and non-systemic. Systemic they have work as a adsorbent like sodium bicarbonate, and non-systemic they work as a, they have the neutralization capacity. They use in the mixture of compound like aluminum hydroxide gel, magnesium hydroxide gel, and they work as a neutralizer. They came in market, they are available in the market in the form of complex compound product. Protective or adsorbent, they protect our gastric layer, work as a absorbent, and decrease the level of toxins. Laxative, catharatics and purgatives, they work as a stimulant like senna leaves. Bulk purgative, methyl cellulose, methyl CMC. Lubricant, liquid paraffin, glycerin. Saline catharatics, magnesium hydroxide sulfate. These are the different agents that use as a laxative, cathartic and purgatives.